judiciary and the leader of the judiciary. Judges ninya yedin obi anka ho he. Omo yedin ama executive no repeat the judiciary, and the members of the judiciary they are quiet. Kelvin Taylor the judge at them say be we Jimmy onim nyansa ye kwasia na ye issue arrest warrant on so na court na judges ne say omo be yi warrant ne free no so onko free ah me dey say one make say waiting concern musa na me dey man ye didi mo atem me dey me ever me ho be obi si ye so say obi di judge bi atem a judge for no be ka say o match no ana mo dey yam office na politician e decide say obe scandalize my office no by using ways and means and politically predetermined and orchestrated agenda to remove the head of the judiciary. Maintain judges and magistrates for they have an association. This is a Ghana Bar Association. They haven't said anything about it. President Mahama is almost succeeding in removing the CJ. You are quiet. Somebody has scandalized the court. And the judge attempt afraid judge ni names. Na judge no ye na adwuma wo. Nse bia o chief. O ye na adwuma wo. Na meba adwuma na judge ne ye no. So o ye na adwuma. Ye didi na tem. Na se ne court ne si nipa no. Ye ma ni nko free a. Me fa me obey. It is their court. Yeah. And if they want to open the floodgate for people to have the liberty and the license to scandalize the court, I don't care. They can allow that. Tomorrow another person will go and insult another judge. Ni anka say president ne da ho say no de cheba for enti mo so mo kan ho cheba for e be ba mo anka so e be yam enti no mo de mo si mo be allow na ya scandalize court na Kevin Taylor say me ke serious than muntie 3 asem serious than muntie me say judge ye na dwuma oti bi free judge ne say bi we Jimmy for nim nyansa ye kwasi ampani na judge na issue arrest warrant say come and show cause why you should be convicted for contempt. And a contempt in in the first place, what is contempt? Contempt in what send ye beya yen kasentia court no yen kasentia judges yen kasentia the sanctity of the judiciary. Yeah, and can no ya kaso be a judge. Judges no mono sebe kai London books near the idea. Judges no mon first no more mono among folk who is on mon can you because you barely see a judge. Then so today, and then only the judges, never can recognize them as gods. Yeah, as nyame. Because yes, some judges. As I see so crowd more. When gods no master near besi as so no money as for every alomo boom. The gods have descended and they are supping with men. Oh, and the gods not descended. The sanctity of the judiciary is being eroded away and nobody seems to care. It is up to them. It is their court. They can decide to allow people to bastardize the court. I do not care. What thing was Musa? That's it, bro. Now, you can't say no. Ghana for some person who Kelvin Taylor and send 7 and the other basis. You will consume them one by one. They can ebani issue arrest warrant on Kelvin Taylor. Then they cry arrest warrant. The attorney said in 2018, so that time not Justice Cheba for me no I'm lecturer on a term interpretation for law school I been papa. In 2018, so that time not a high court judge. Now like I say MPP ba abem in 2017 a year auditing to some of the public institutions now. Yeah, realize it's a National Communications Authority NCA. Yeah. Or me some ko listening device be. Because that time no mususu say send ya ba beto aba. No mususu say amanfo bi be plani ku ni ade enti no mo ko jiska say o mo ko to listening device Israel na sa listening device no me yes o mo ko to Israel na e connected to edubu ahensensem ya e na ye ka ho ase but another day meba ho no mo ko to sa listening device no the device was worth $4 million device number sikani so koy sikani free aban coffers mu but there was no transaction between evidence be any who say NCA for NSA ISC holdings your more Israel why edubo an koto ne machines ni wo. There was no proof to show say there was any transaction between them. Now another twist to say say once the NCA no a telecommunications regulator and security company. A telecommunications regulator by law any who kwans or listening device they are with man for course. Yours is to regulate the telecommunications. nipa wo ho kwan say ana agency wo ho kwan say okoto listening device in the first place and national security be and national signals bureau enti no sa usually companies no koto sa listening devices e wo mo ayebu bibi e friend no end user agreement na che say wo nipa ba beto machine one e wo so use untimi nton mo bi because of the security implications are e wo ho no just imagine say na da se be also ye billionaire na when you scam man ti no o koto listening device akosi with them na manfo ye course na wuti it's not ye nton ma nti e wo say wo akoto no one na be use and it has to be a security or intelligence company and the MP before ba abema ye audit ne realize say NTA for no man koto machine na mo diska no ana ye de omko gina court omko gina ye de omko gina court na ye omo director general Matthew Teve na ye omo board chairman Eugene Bafo Boni na ye national security deputy national security coordinator no NCA board no so friend Alhaji Suleiman Mumuni ena maame ba ko ka ho aje no ye board secretary so ne friend Antenna omo for ni ya ye jeli omo ni ya nanu ya I think 2020 mu ho baby ena abugina po ene damango ahemfo no kopa chairman Alhaji Suleiman Mumuni say nkoye wo nsa won prison to President Akufo-Addo man pardon ena President Akufo-Addo man pardon before the 2020 elections but all these 4 persons were convicted because of the NCA scandal Eugene Bafo Boni ni nua ene the current CJ now you convicted Eugene Bafo Boni no na omunia omu papa ena ye the founder for Radio Gold ye converting no ena Kelvin Taylor ekotena ni station ne so e de judge ni si ho judge na wa convert Eugene Bafo Boni say we di o man sika no justice stay Bafo na di ni si ho e super no e free judges ni names e na di na term e kan say ma me repeat e wa ha na ena judge no e filing for contempt and I say e chain for contempt and o catch here Kelvin Taylor say ombra court ho no so emeye de emeyi na no ade denti a odidi judges na tem say satan not abrochire wamba na judge ni issue arrest warrant
say nyana yenchi no
ye kasa arrest warrant e kire say court na hwehwe court na to nsa afre o say omba enti ni yenyawa yenye den yenche wombra yanti na mba 2025 aban sesa ye yisi free ho acting CJ naba acting CJ no
ye dini akotu mu no
ye dini akotu ma Kelvin Taylor ko di judge corona tem no den tia judge corona di ni anu tu mu no Kelvin Taylor ba court o say judge no enkwahye arrest warrant no say arrest warrant na ye dia to Kelvin Taylor so no eni ngina so bia e wo mbrem enti ni ye nyimfiri nso ye enkwahye no e na court no say e no kre na ye be kwahye na evi say ni ngina so bia wo mbrem na utie court no decision na court ne say utie court ne ruling na o say judge no justice Bafo issue arrest warrant on Kelvin Taylor no when tie na no asem Ghana for ntie ni yo o say judge na ntie Kelvin Taylor no asem na judge no be tie one no asem if you don't show up in court in the history ya issue contempt and I say ye issue bench warrant me I have never seen a judge or ma the nipa na ye issue bench warrant ne tia na say because your friend oba yanka ye issue bench warrant
you do buy and do call remand the
so what you say etu no uba no oba be kire mu de ntia me yemfa wo nkotum o kai say election 2012 petition no yeah Rasa mi okuni se John money bi me ka ho a ye che omo for contempt e dem ko gina no omo ko do court on Saturday na contempt applications are net you then ye do be na one question pen na judge ni be say identity na me for nko to afiase we the court na tem into ho no o be so justify ya be justify say my lord man the court na tem asema me kai ABC de ye ngira so court na sa na mo ye me proof ni anasa be ka say my lord we there emotions na me de kasa man kasa ye ntifa cheme na court ni ye dey no modi achew enu bi na sami okumu ni akoye ya court ne de chew mo na nke ye invite say John mo ne sami okumu na nkomo ankwa the next remedy is that a contempt warrant to an arrest warrant to be issued against you because you are in contempt of court fine case but you see decision about you know the implication the implication is that obi a ye issue arrest warrant etia obi answer arrest warrant no say yentie o judge na ntie o asama na o issue arrest warrant na say arrest warrant no eni ngina so bia wo mbrem e null and void and of no consequential effect enti no by extension we are no for yata Emanim Bagana. Kenofoyata shouldn't come. Because by the ruling of the Supreme Court yesterday, by extension, it means that Kenofoyata's arrest warrant now OSP no issue yeah no, which means it is in contravention with decision now court no the aba and ran inti Kenofoyata as it stands now no obetima ka arrest warrant be under so because court in the answer now be issue arrest warrant on obi no give the person a hearing. Kenofoyata wasn't given a hearing. In fact, on no cry in the case of Kenofoyata can on no cry requested for a video conferencing for him to be given a hearing. OSP is on Tieno. So decision now about it say is it why a be issue arrest warrant or to be you have to be given a hearing first. Yeah, my hearing not just say mugu. That is where we are now. But you see, it's somewhere close we have to be very careful. Because the judiciary is where we run to in times of crisis, in times of acrimony, in times of say obitete or family no. Is the court we go to. Now say the court no be na adwen say oba be ye nyome bia ensem factor to erode the public trust in the judiciary. It's a very dangerous matter. Now, is it the case say among for can matisa among for ka say is it the case that the court is trying to trying to make insult legitimate?
They say the sign of
are you trying to legitimize insults and attacks on leaders and Hensema Kelvin Taylor akafa ochehen ho. Wasn't it a fine opportunity say Hensema wakafa in fact court no kra ho ni no. It would have been an opportunity for the court to even set some good example or some good precedent. But people are beginning to ask questions. Say, is it the case say Jai Kelvin Taylor because nipa na nipa kronti akodi judge na tem nipa kronua na say oye CJ. People are asking questions so people are asking questions. So go street in this one. Me nam circle me be yamonfo bisansem mo say lawyer. Ye de ye bisansem o. Say judge no ye say Kelvin Taylor no ko didi judge ni nua na ko didi judge or sentence CJ ni nua acting CJ ni nua ntina. Insem bisi akoso na na. Na ko bi okodidi obi fufura nkonye in connection with acting CJ ni nua anke no so sa na be ba na. Because people are not finding respectfully and humbly and without any insult, people are not finding any sense in the ruling in our court in the Yaban. People feel say it is a judgment or it's a ruling that is against the conscience of you know the law lords. People think say and you're proper. And you know that's it, bro. Yeah, me san kebium. Me nye judge. Court no, me office in the court. Even though I'm an officer of the court, me I don't work from the court. Judges no me adwuma wo court. Omo na no pay bi omo soro omo court na court. Court na your office. If they will allow people like Kelvin Taylor to scandalize the court, it is up to them. No, it is up to them.
Because be at your back Kelvin Taylor, na no ya crossing.
No, but you see, we have set a certain precedent. Say Kelvin Taylor no a hatchet job man NDC. He has been protected. Anybody that does a hatchet job for the MPP will also be protected.
Oh yes.
Just like the way NDC for not protecting Kelvin Taylor, or be a hatchet job am MPP Bia will be protected. If Schwarzenegger will be protected. Anybody that does a hatchet job for the MPP will be protected. Obi a be issue bench warrant also otia manone obe kaseti aban we a be issue arrest warrant also wamba na se MPP ba mu a yen so no ye be boa ye be lawyers amount ama ye yenso ye ways and means ama ya kwash arrest warrant no. All the people working in the interest of the MPP will be protected. All MPP members should be bold and speak out. Everybody should speak out. Everybody will be protected. They will be protected. That's it, bro. About the other year, best sound. NDC will not be in power forever. NDC will not be in power forever.
MPP will not rot in opposition.
Oh, when MPP was in power in 2017, by this time, Anna August, you implementing free senior high school. Near Fanapco 100,000 Duma. Anna ye Chuamoka. Anna ye 1D1F. That time. me ka ye bie companies be in August ye wo your goodwill MPP me kabi we say NDC was going to be in opposition for 30 years na NDC they say a good that time you say NDC a good no more suffer defeat of 1 million votes I say oh never again NDC will not come to power again fast forward 8 years where is MPP now are we not in opposition into abai na eden best and I'm saying it again say all persons who are doing hatchet jobs for the MPP will be protected by the MPP. They should come out. All our people, all our vigilante boys who are willing, say they'll work for the MPP, all of them will be protected by the MPP. Yeah. The MPP will not disown anybody again. We will not. Blue Army for no Modi or Munkwesi was a Mobeye, Edumama MPP for no, all of them will be protected. They said we are going to fight for our own. You touch one, you touch all.
That's all.
We are going to fight for our people. We will not allow say NDC for no will protect their own through fair and foul means, through legitimate and illegitimate means, and you expect say MPP will be cassette ya penny be na say penny penny crown in area, then MPP will come and issue a statement to say this. It will not happen again. Never. It will not happen again. And bra me share Kevin tell a video be a Odi Danka Williams attempt, Odi Mensa Watabel attempt, Edi Alpha Hour. So for that time, Reverend Officer German, the Reverend of both what times and the 9 pen. Kelvin Teller. But today, the government has not been even able to come and disassociate the home from his and say he's being housed in the vice presidential villa. Now can we tell her to Obama as a vice president?
Yes, you do.
What is happening in this country? What is happening in this country? Is it the case is President Mahama endorses the attacks on Kelvin Taylor? Now who defense minister here bizarre say are you aware say Kevin Taylor back room and not the vice president fear I say unye immigration officer shame on to you man shame on to you lack the emotional intelligence to be a defense minister you lack the emotional intelligence to be a defense minister who man ebo yeah bizarre question at a press conference na Kevin Taylor also unye immigration officer now the defense minister are you not the one who is supposed to protect the territorial integrity of this country it's a terrorist being a hero. My name is Ebisa and Kabeka on the immigration officer. In a proper jurisdiction, if President Mahamo is a serious president and Kabanaki, you are Pomo as a defense minister. You are Pomo as a defense minister. You don't merit that position. Defense minister. Obiabo, my name is journalist for Bisa question as an immigration officer. Now, in Kawaja, journalist for the moment Bisa. Now, why the security briefing? Why not just security briefing? That's why I mean just security briefing. Oh, that's why we just security briefing. Oh, yeah, Bisa was sama. We say unye immigration officer. It doesn't make sense. So clearly, you realize, NDC four-way, no, they are bent on resetting the rule of law. Resetting resetting the rule of law. And if they want to reset the rule of law, the MPP, we will not engage in any illegality, but we will protect our own. We will protect our own. We will not entertain the attempt to NDC 4% on the silence MPP phone. We will protect our own.